Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. Today we are going to solve NCERT class 10th chapter 1 exercise 1.2 question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. Part 1 is 140. So we solve with part 1. We factorize 140 like this. We start with smallest prime number, that is 2. So we divide 140 by 2. This gives us 70. We again divide it by 2. This gives us 35. Now we know that 35 is not divisible by 2. It is also not divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits 3 and 5 is 8. Hence it is not divisible by 3 because it is not divisible by 3. Now it ends with 5. So it is divisible by 5. So we divide it by 5 and it divides it for 7 times. Now as 7 is the prime number, so our product for 140 is 140 equal to, as it divides by 2 for 2 times, so we write 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So prime factorization of 140 gives us 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Part 2 is 156. So we again adopt the same procedure. 156 is even number, so it first we divide it by 2. 2 divides 156 for 78. Again 78 is even number. We divide it again by 2. This gives us 39. Now 39 is not even number, so it will not divide by 2. Now the sum of the digits 3 and 9 is 12, which is divisible by 3, so we will divide it by 3. Then it gives us 13, and we know that 13 is a prime, so it will further not be divided. So our prime factorization of 156 is 156 equal to 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. Part 3 of the question, 3825. We know that this number is ending with 5, so it is not even number, so it will not be divided by 2. Now we take the sum of all the digits, that is 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 2 13 plus 5 18. So it is the 18 is divisible by 3, so this number will be divided by 3. So on dividing we get 3 times 1 is 3, we carry 8, 3 times 2 is 6, balance is 2, we carry 2, 22 is to be divided by 3, then it is 7, 21, then balance is 1, 15 is divided by 3 for 5 times. So our quotient will be 1275. Again the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so we divide it by 3. This gives us 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, balance is 1, and 3 times 5 is 15. So the quotient is 425. The sum of the digit is 11, so it is not divisible by 3. Now it ends with 5, so this is divisible by next prime 5. So we divide like this. 5 times 8 is 40, balance is 2, and 5 times 5 is 25. This is again divisible by 5. 5 divides 85 for 17 times, as 5 times 17 is 85. Now 17 is the prime number, hence our prime factorization of 3825 is 3 to the power 2, as 3 divides it for 2 times, and 5 to the power 2 and 17. So 3825 equal to 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 17. Part 4, 5005. As this is odd number, it is not divisible by 2, and the sum of digit is 10, so it is not divisible by 3. So we directly divide it by 5, as the number ends with 5. So this gives us, on dividing by 5, we get 1001. Now it is not divisible by 5, so we tried by 7. 7 times 1 is 7, balance is 3. 30, 37 times 4 is 28, balance is 2, and we carry 1. 21 is divisible by 7 for 3 times, so our quotient is 143. Now on dividing by 7 again, we see that it is not divisible by 7. Now we go for the next prime is 11, and now for divisibility of 11, the tip is that the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of digits at the even places, and their difference is 0 or 11, then it is divisible by 11. So we check it here. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0, so it is divisible by 11. 14 is divided by 11 for one time, balance is 3, and 33 is 11 times 3 is 33. So our quotient is 13, which is a prime number. Now we have the prime factorization of 5005 equal to 5005 equal to 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13. So this is our prime factorization of 5005. Part 5, 7429. 7429 is not divisible by 2 because it is not even number. Now we check whether it is divisible by 3. The sum of the digit is 7 plus 4 11 plus 2 13 plus 9 is 22, so it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 5 as the digit is not ending with 5 or 0. So we check it for 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 is not divisible by 7, so we carry 2. 7 times 6 is 42, and 9 when divided by 7 gives the remainder as 2. So it is not divisible by 7. Now we check the sum of the digits at even and odd places. So 7 plus 2 at odd places is 9, and at even places is 4, and 9 is 11. So their difference is not 0 or 11, so it is not divisible by 11. Now we check it for 13. 13 times 5 is 65. Balance is 9. 92. 17. 92 and divided by 13 gives us 7 as quotient, and remainder is 1. So we carry 9, and 19 is not divisible by 13. So it is not divisible by 13. Next prime is our 17. So we tried by 17. 17 times 4 is 68. Balance is 6, 62. Then we divided 62 by 17. It gives us quotient 3 and remainder 11. So 119 is divisible by 17. So this number is divisible by 17. So we divided by 17. 17 times 4 is 68. Balance is 6. 17 times 3 is 51. Balance is 11. 119. 17 times 7 is 119. So our quotient is 437. We again check it whether it is divisible by 17. 17 times 2, 34. 117 is not divisible by 17. So we tried by next prime, which is 19. So we try by 19. 19 times 2 is 38. Balance is 5, 57. 57 is divisible by 19 for 3 times. So it is divisible by 19. 19 times 2 is 38. 5. 57 is divisible by 19 for 3 times. So our quotient is 23. Now 23 is a prime number. So it is not further divisible by any number. Hence we have got our answer for prime factorization of 7429, which is equal to 7429 equal to 17 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 23. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.